Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the case has power and was recently paired. Open SmartThings Find or Samsung Wearable and note the last seen time. This tells you where to start. Once done, do a quick sweep of likely spots: pockets, backpacks, car seats, couch cushions, under chairs, moving methodically from most recent to oldest locations. Make sure to keep your phone Bluetooth on and nearby. Being within range is essential for the next steps. Now you narrow the search by using proximity. Walk slowly with your phone and watch the Bluetooth signal or SmartThings signal strength. Signal climbs as you approach. If the app supports a fine sound, trigger short bursts rather than one long tone so you can localize direction. Retrace steps in reverse order from the last seen location. This often reveals the case tucked behind objects. Make sure to check timestamp locations on the map. Finish by physically inspecting tight spaces with a flashlight and listening closely. Cases can emit a faint click when nudged. If you still can't find it, mark the earbuds lost in SmartThings, unpair to prevent unauthorized use, and contact Samsung support to check last known telemetry. As a last resort, consider replacing the case. Verify the exact model and battery specs first so you buy the correct part. Troubleshooting tip: if the app shows no signal, toggle Bluetooth on your phone and clear the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.